I have a sad story to share. It's been years I've sung each Sunday. Familiar faces pass my way. Some come late, some come before the pray to listen to adore. I wave hello while melodies rise. Families gathered, hearts alive. When someone's missing from their pew, I whisper, Lord, is he okay too? You once approached me with a smile, praised our song, stayed for a while. Said, my daughter made you proud. Her voice, her grace, it drew a crowd. Tell her she's amazing, you said. Good luck ahead, keep lifting heads. Your kindness warmed my soul that day, a fleeting gift you gave away. But you didn't even say goodbye. No final wave, no parting sigh. You left so quietly, slipped from view. And now the church feels less like you. Wherever you are, may peace abide. But oh, you didn't even say goodbye. One Sunday came, your seat was bare. I asked your wife, is he still there? She said you flew back home alone. A simple tree, a hopeful tone. Next week they came in black and blue. I wait, but something felt untrue. After mass I asked again. She said he's gone, and silence then. I always look for your warm face, your Sunday suit, your quiet grace. You and your family side by side, a living hymn, a sacred tie. But you didn't even say goodbye. No final wave, no parting sigh. You left so quietly, slipped from view. And now the church feels less like you. Wherever you are, may peace abide. But oh, you didn't even say goodbye. We'll sing for you each Sunday still. Your merry echoes through the hill. You didn't say goodbye, it's true. But heaven heard you last, thank you.